Looking at geometric series, we now have, instead of a sequence, where a sequence would have commas, we have a series because it has plus signs. And we will see why this is a geometric series in one moment. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. We have 10, 30, 90, 270, 810, and 2,430. If it was an arithmetic sequence, it would be going up by, or series, it would be going up by an even kind of displacement. But here we can see that it's multiplying. There's a multiple happening here. So that means we can always take this number and divide it by the first to see kind of what's going on here. So if we did 30 divided by 10, we can see that it's 3. Or 90 divided by 30, again, we can see it's 3. So it should be increasing by multiples of 3. Therefore, that means we're not dealing with arithmetic, we're dealing with geometric. And for a geometric series, we do have formulas as well. We have this formula where it's Sn is equal to A r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. And this is where r, or common ratio, is bigger than 1. We also have the formula A 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r, where r is less than 1. And the reason why we have something like this is so that we don't get negative numbers. If we do have a fraction, we want to have a whole number, or 1 minus that fraction, in order to get a positive values. So we have this formula right here for any fractional r values, and this one right here for any whole numbers or numbers bigger than 1. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this one. We're going to find S at, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, where A is 10, that's our first value. So you can see that right here, A is 10. R is going to be whatever our multiple is, so we're going to put that into these two places. So we'll have 3 to the power of 6, because n is 6, divided by 6 minus 3 minus 1. This 3 is our R value, right? And the reason why we're doing it out, like we could easily just add them all together and get our final answer, yes, but what if we had a series that is really, really, really long? So we don't want to be not using our formulas, just in case we do have something that's really, really, really long, and we can easily do it out with the formula instead. So here we'll get 10 times 729 minus 1 all over 2. We get 10 times 728 divided by 2, which gives our final answer for S6 to be 3,640. And that's our final answer. Yes, we could have just added up 10 plus 30 plus 90 plus 270 plus 810 plus 240, 2,430 to get 3,640. However, again, if we have a series that's really, 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 really long, we definitely want to be using our formulas.